How you gonna hop up in the Volkswagen in your fresh ATL shirt, Victoria? You ready to ride? You was acting like you're reluctant to get up in here. Why you got your purse with you? You got nothing to say? Alright. Seatbelt does work. It's over there somewhere. Oh, let me adjust my mirror. Okay. Over here at my wheel alignment choice, Calderon Tires out here in Santa Clara, getting the VW looked into. I put my own front suspension together, so I need to get it tightened up the correct way. You know, look where I'm at today. Where are we at today, young peoples?
Beetle Power.
We're at Beetle Power.
That's right.
And I was about to get my interior redone for my dad's Volkswagen, and they had one come in, and guess what? I'm buying all the interior. Winner, winner, winner. Look at this here. All stock. The car's been in storage for quite some time. They said, hey, today's your lucky day. What do you want to do? We'll sell you all this for a good price. I said, hell yeah.
Back seat will come out easy, easy peasy. And these, like even this is not mounted, but the seat has to come out first. Oh, here it is.
There's a lever over here, I see. How it works over here to get it. So here we go. We got all of the Volkswagen interior purchased from the young man. Seats, everything. Like brand new. Over here in the back cave, undisclosed location, G14 classified. Volkswagen. You know? Oh, oh. Oh, are you coming? So I think he has a welder, Dad. So he's gonna show me in this tool area. This thing is heavy duty. And the clutch looks good. Lights, camera, action. Oh, okay. All right. Austin Healey. Yes. Oh, motor mounts. Okay. Ray is deaf, Dad. But we got blinkers working. Ray's the man. So, I'll show you something else. Something about a starter. Oh, he got a run station for the for his Volkswagen. Oh man, this guy's too much. This is your own do-it-yourselfer kind of guy. MacGyver, for sure. He can make it happen. Let me say. Big motors. Okay. So yeah, he got. What else he want to show me? Oh, he's got the control station and all that. Ah, okay. All right. That one? What's that one? That one? Okay. All right. So basically what happened is we have new motor mounts coming in. I bought a clutch kit, throttle bearings, all that stuff. Since the Volkswagen was hit in the rear, it was bent over here and over here. As you can see, it's right here. So when Ray was looking at it, he said he's gonna put it to the tree and come along and bend it back straight, and then weld the new piece back in right here, so we'll be straight. I got new CV boots coming, upper and lower. I got what else I got coming? Yeah, pointing out where it's been at. Yeah. So I jumped from right there. So he's gonna get it all back right. And so, like I said, Ray's a Volkswagen man. So, hey, that's what we're gonna do. Gotta go. Yeah. For the 70 Volkswagen, we got a new clutch. We got CV boots, upper and lower CV boot joints. So yeah, and motor mounts for the back, or tranny mounts, motor mounts. Let's go see what Ray's up to. Okay, so he bent all this back straight. We're not sure what year this hatch came from, but we got it pretty much straight over here too. And so he's gonna, I guess, put the motor back in. We're gonna get the correct CV boots for him. So do these the other one. No, these. I will get more. Okay. Okay. And so yeah, he closed the gaps and stuff and everything.